The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Greetings of the day to you all. We, the Rotaract Club of Yenapoya Institute of Arts, Science, Commerce and Management, present before you the special program on the occasion of Independence Day. Happy 75th Independence Day to you all. We all know that the freedom fighters or martyrs fought for the freedom of our country from the British ruled India, and before 75 years ago we got independence. So keeping all these freedom fighters or martyrs in our mind, we will start our program with a peaceful song called Vande Mataram. Now I call upon the faculty members to sing a song Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Subalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Sasya Shamalam, Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini Sumadura Bhashini, Sukadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Thank you faculty members for beautifully singing Vande Mataram. Now I call upon Rotractor Tasmia Muskan to welcome us all.
Greetings of the day to you all. I wish you all a happy Independence Day. I, Tasmia Muskan, the President of the Rotaract Club of the Yenapoya Institute of Arts, Science, Commerce and Management, here welcome you all. First and foremost, I'd like to welcome our beloved Principal, Dr. Parvadavardhini Gopalakrishnan, the Vice Principal, Dr. Sharina P, and club coordinators and the volunteers. I also welcome teaching and non-teaching staffs and the students of the Yenapoya Institute of Arts, Science, Commerce and Management. Lastly, I'd like to welcome everyone watching this program. Hearty welcome to you all.
Thank you, Rotractor Tasmia Muskan, for welcoming us all. Welcome to you too. Now, I call upon our beloved Principal, Dr. Parvadavardhini Gopalakrishnan, to give away a presidential speech.
Namaste, Vande Mataram. Today, in the year 2021, India is celebrating its 75th Independence Day. Today, we cherish and respect and honor and pay tribute to all our freedom fighters, martyrs, and our brave hearts who fought for this day. Dear students, my fellow colleagues, my friends, and 136 crore Indians living in India and overseas, I wish you all the best and congratulate you for the freedom that we have, and we need to celebrate this day. I, on behalf of the Yenapoya University and the Institute, wish you all the very best and hope you enjoy this day with great happiness, prosperity, peace, and harmony.
Thank you, ma'am, for your beautiful message on this special occasion. Now, here comes the first performance of the day by Akila Shetty, first BSc Forensic Science. Enjoy it.
Thank you, Akila, for a wonderful performance. Now, I call upon Veena Kumari from first BSc Food Science and Nutrition with a beautiful performance.
ಸದ್ವಿಚಾರಧಾರೆಯಿಂದ ಚಿಮ್ಮಲಿ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ನವೋತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೊಮ್ಮಲಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಸದ್ವಿಚಾರಧಾರೆಯಿಂದ ಚಿಮ್ಮಲಿ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ನವೋತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೊಮ್ಮಲಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಭವ್ಯ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಗುಡಿಯ ಶಿಲ್ಪಕಾರರು ನಾವು ದಿವ್ಯ ಪರಂಪರೆಯ ನವಕುಮಾರರು ನಾವು ನವ್ಯರು ನಾವು ನವೋ ನವ್ಯರು ನಾವು ನವ್ಯರು ನಾವು ನವೋ ನವ್ಯರು ನಾವು ನಾವೇ ಇರಲು ತಾಯಿಗಿನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಯ ನೋವು ಇನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಯ ನೋವು ಸದ್ವಿಚಾರಧಾರೆಯಿಂದ ಚಿಮ್ಮಲಿ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ನವೋತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೊಮ್ಮಲಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಪಾದಘಾತದಿಂದ ಅರಿಯ ತೊತ್ತಳ ತುಳಿದು ಬಾಹು ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ಭೂಮಿ ಬಾನಿ ನೆತ್ತರ ಬೆಳೆದು ಅರಳಿ ನಗುವೆವು ಸಿರಿಯ ಮರಳಿ ತರುವೆವು ಅರಳಿ ನಗುವೆವು ಸಿರಿಯ ಮರಳಿ ತರುವೆವು ಅಳಿದ ಪಿತರ ಆತ್ಮ ತೃಪ್ತಿಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಮೆರೆವೆವು ತೃಪ್ತಿಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಮೆರೆವೆವು ಸದ್ವಿಚಾರಧಾರೆಯಿಂದ ಚಿಮ್ಮಲಿ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ನವೋತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೊಮ್ಮಲಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಗುಂಡಿಗೆ ಇದು ಗುಂಡಿನೇಟಿ ಗಂಜಿ ನಡುಗದು ಎಂದಿಗೂ ಸೋಲರಿಯದಂತ ಪಂಥವು ನಮದು ಯೋಧರು ನಾವು ಸಿಂಹನಾದರು ನಾವು ಯೋಧರು ನಾವು ಸಿಂಹನಾದರು ನಾವು ನಾಡ ಕಷ್ಟ ಕಳೆದ ಮಹಾಯೋಧರು ನಾವು ಮಹಾಕಾಲರು ನಾವು. ಸದ್ವಿಚಾರಧಾರೆಯಿಂದ ಚಿಮ್ಮಲಿ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ, ನವೋತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೊಮ್ಮಲಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ.
Oh wow, Veena, it was really a tremendous performance. Thank you so much. Next we have upcoming and entertaining performance by our faculties. Let's go watch it.
हे मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी. हे मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी.
यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग. यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग. धानी पगड़ी पहने मौसम है, नीली चादर ताने अंबर है, नदी सुनहरी हरा समंदर है. देश गीला देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला.
Wonderful. Thank you, faculty members, for a lovely performance. Now, here comes our rock track team with a beautiful play. Sit back and enjoy.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel and hope you're doing fine and happy Independence Day. So today in our episode we're gonna talk to few peoples and ask about Independence Day. So let's see what we have got. Excuse me. Happy Independence Day. Okay. Happy Independence Day. So do you have anything to talk about Independence Day?
Independence Day. Yeah, that Mahatma Gandhi ji fought against British.
Yeah, but no. He is a follower of Ahimsa, so he didn't fight.
Oh no, I was just testing you whether you didn't know or not.
Okay, and then
Filming going on.
yeah, we are recording it. Yeah.
I do know the fact that, Independence Day, we get holidays. And I get to hang out with my friends finally. Lot of...
And there is 50% discount, bro.
What?
Yes, just check it out.
Seriously?
Yes. I think you should
We
just...
are running out of time.
Yes, you just go. Bye. Thank you.
Okay, so for them, Independence Day is just another holiday, hanging out with friends, shopping, chill pill, and so on. Very busy people. So let's move on and see what we have got next. Okay, we have got a bunch of people over here. Let's see. Excuse me. Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
Okay, what do you do for living?
We are teachers.
Okay, so teachers, we have got something to...
I've seen you somewhere. Maybe in the college fest? I'm Carol from Yasin.
I'm Mervin from Yanapoya.
I'm Muskan from Yasin.
I'm Mervin from Yanapoya.
I'm Lakshmi from Yasin.
I'm Mervin from Yanapoya.
Okay, can I get a minute over there? We are recording for the viewers. Do you have anything to say about Independence Day?
Yes, of course. Independence Day is a very special day, and we hoist the flag on the special day, as well as we sing national anthem. We give tribute to the freedom fighters, and also we have to make sure we give some enough awareness to our students, saying that because of this day we are celebrating Independence Day and we have got freedom because of the freedom fighters. That's it.
Thank you. Anything else, ma'am?
No, will you please excuse me? I have a speech in some other colleges. See, now I'm getting call. I'm busy.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's see what we have got next. As we move forward, we have all these things that we do on Independence Day. Okay.
This is filming.
Yeah, we are filming it.
So please vote for Yan Samaj Party.
Happy Independence Day, sir. Do you like to talk about Independence Day to our viewers?
Independence Day is where many people fight for freedom. So many sacrifice their lives. So my grandfather was this close to Bhagat Singh. They fought together and they died together.
Okay. Okay, but Bhagat Singh was hung to death. I mean, how can your grandparents like?
No. All opposition party write false history. My grandfather was write true history. So Bhagat Singh was found dead during war. So I have to go. Please.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And
Please vote for Yan Samaj Party.
okay, thank you. So, according to the politician, it's because of him and his grandfather we got independence. Impressive. So, he's a politician. So, it was a really long day, and we spoke to different characters like teenagers, teachers, and okay, here we have few kids. We'll talk to them. Hey, kids. Hey.
Hi.
So, what's today?
It's Independence Day.
So, do you like to talk to our viewers about Independence Day?
Yes. So, Mahatma Gandhi is father of our nation and Jawaharlal is mother of our nation.
No. Not Jawaharlal is not mother of our nation. He is our first prime minister.
Whatever it is, we'll get laddu.
Okay, so you guys are all interested in laddus, getting laddus. Okay, yeah. Anyways, yeah, thank you. Bye. So before concluding, we have a special guest over here who will talk about Independence Day. So let's all listen to her.
Hello everyone. Today we at Yasim will be celebrating 75th Independence Day with the usual pride to mark its freedom from British rule. The Indian independence movement began during World War I and was led by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. On August 15, 1947, India got its freedom, ending an almost 200-year British rule. One of the great freedom fighters who helped in India's freedom struggle include Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many more freedom fighters. India's Independence Day is significant as it stands as a reminder of the sacrifices that many freedom fighters made to get independence from British rule. We all have to be proud of our freedom fighters, great leaders, and our nation. We need to salute our nation and our freedom fighters. Let us all mark it as a pride on this day and recall all the struggles which our freedom fighters have come across. Happy Independence Day to all. Let us be united and let us lead our country in peace. Thank you. Happy wishes. Happy Independence Day.
Thank you, Dr. Sharina, for your wonderful message. So now it's time for me to say bye to all of you guys. So until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Such a wonderful performance it was. Now I call upon Rono Emmanuel Peter from 1st BCA IBM for a patriotic song by uttering our patriotic vibes to enrich our modernizing culture.
பாரில் சிறந்த தேசம் நம் வாழும் பாரத தேசம் சரித்திரம் படைத்த தேசம் பல சரித்திரம் படைக்கும் தேசம் நம் சுவாசம் நம் தேசம் அழியா பாரத தேசம் நம் சுவாசம் நம் தேசம் அழியா பாரத தேசம் பூலோகம் காணும் அதிசய மழையாய் பாரத தேசம் சிறைப்பட்டு சிக்கிழுத்து பெற்றே சுதந்திரத்தை பேணி காப்போம் என் பிறவி நான் எடுத்தாலும் தேசத்திலே உயர்த்திடுவோம் திசமேதா 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 நம் பாதியந்த திசமேதா திசமேதா நம் ஆதியந்த திசமேதா திசமேதா நம் ஆதியந்த திசமேதா.
Thank you, Rono, for the wonderful presentations and wonderfully singing and taking us into the part of the traditions of Kerala. Thank you so much. And now I welcome Bindya, first BSc, Food Science and Nutrition, to perform a beautiful dance.
Thank you, Vindhya, for your wonderful dance. So next we have a small video presentation by Rotaract team. So kindly watch it and enjoy it.
Hello everyone. We are privileged to have an opportunity on this special occasion of Independence Day. We Rotaract member of Yasim have a special video for you all. Enjoy.
आजा जिंद शामी आने की तले आजा जरी वारी नीले आसमान की तले जय हो रुकी रुकी सच्ची मैंने जाने गवाई नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी किन किन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो
दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ये वतन तेरे लिए हर करम अपना करेंगे हर करम अपना करेंगे ये वतन
Wow, it's an amazing presentation from Rotaract teams. Now I call upon Mr. Dixit from 1st BCA Cyber Forensic for a beautiful patriotic song. Over to you, Dixit.
मातरम
वन्दे मातरम् मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्.
Wonderful, Deepshit. It was mesmerizing. Now, here comes our faculty members to entertain us with a beautiful patriotic song. Let's all listen to it.
संदेश से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं जो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है संदेश से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं जो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है ओ ओ ओ
Thank you, faculty members, for your beautiful melodious song. Now we have come to the end of this program. So I call upon the road track coordinator, Mr. Mervin Jason Wars, to propose a vote of thanks.
No duty is more urgent than giving thanks. I take this opportunity to thank each and everyone who have worked behind this program. First and foremost, I would like to thank respected Principal Dr. Parvada Vardhini Gopalakrishnan for her constant support throughout the event as well as throughout the year. I would like to also thank our Vice Principal Dr. Sharina P and the Road Track fellow coordinators Ms. Lakshmi BM and Ms. Carol Norona. Thank you too. I also like to thank the Road Track President, Road Tractor Tasmia Muskan, and the Secretary, Road Tractor Mohammad Farzeen, for their constant support and their wonderful work what they are all doing it along with their team. I would like to thank my fellow colleagues and my dear students for the performance what you have all made and you have sent virtually. Thank you. Last but not the least, I would like to thank each and everyone who are watching this program live virtually. Thank you one and all. Now, let us rise for the national anthem.
शुभ